Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Derek Tucker. Chris has the day off. Thanks for joining us. Florida has said goodbye to Hurricane Jean, the fourth storm to hit the state in about 6 weeks. But a handful of Muncie residents are ready to go into Florida with some much needed relief. I talked with the organizers and volunteers about their mission. After Hurricane Charlie in mid-August, one Muncie woman organized a relief effort. After witnessing the damage firsthand, she felt she needed to organize another mission. But this second relief effort hit closer to home after last night. Hurricane Jean severely damaged her parents' home.
They lost their roof above their kitchen on the trailer, and everything in the kitchen is gone due to rain. All of their furniture in the living room is wet. They've lost part of their carpet in the living room.
Taylor says with a lot of planning, this program has received donations from several companies, including a truck, tent, and food items, but they need more volunteers. One volunteer says she was inspired to help.
The Bible says, who is your neighbor? And the neighbor is someone that you have an opportunity to help. It doesn't have to be next door. And so that's the way I feel.
Organizers say hurricane victims need hygiene items, canned food items, batteries, and flashlights. In only an hour, they have received 2 pallets of milk and bottles of water. And by the end of the week, they hope to receive enough donations to fill this truck. Taylor says these items will be distributed to needy families in Florida, like her parents. The relief program is accepting donations in the Hobby Lobby parking lot on McGalliard in Muncie until October 3rd from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You Gotta Play It Safe was a theme at Perry Elementary School in Selma Monday. Indiana-Michigan Power, a division of American Electric Power, is presenting the further adventures of Louie the Lightning Bug to 9 elementary schools this week. The program is designed to teach kids the importance of electrical safety through a live show that involves interaction with the audience. The program is produced by the National Theater for Children. For more information, visit playworks.com. Now here's Ina Segal with a look at today's forecast.
For your morning drive to work, be expecting breezy and cool conditions with a temperature of 43 degrees, but plenty of sunshine. As we head into our day, be expecting a gradual warm-up with a high of 72 degrees. Derek?
Thanks, Ina. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.